Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Okay. Screen. So the current balance of our account for the challenge of $20 is $52.11, and for the funded account we add up 3.18%, which forms up as the account balance gets to 10,308. So I'll just quickly check on the position we were in the night. So we took a buy here, putting a stop loss here and our TP here. So I wasn't active at the chart in the night, and when I woke up in the morning I saw how the market manipulated us. I don't know but how it hit my TP. I have to just recheck my stream. Where did I put my SL? Because as we have planned, I have actually put my TP here. Sorry, SL here. So maybe I would have changed it here. So anyhow, it got hit, and then our TP, then the price reached our TP. And if somebody would have got lucky of not getting the SL, they would have surely hit our TP of 1:1 or even more than 1:1. So okay, our setup failed yesterday. It actually didn't fail, but we were unlucky in the setup. So we'll now look for new setups. I'm just checking the setups before starting the live. I couldn't see any promising setups yet. If eurusd breaks down here, we can take a trade. Gold also doesn't look to give us a setup. Here's a big breakout. Okay, we'll just quickly mark out the possible setup for the possible support and resistance zone. And then we will analyze it deeply. That can we take trade on that or not? So it found a flag and pole again on Bitcoin. eurusd is at support, and gold broke out a resistance zone, and it is retesting actually. So it's not that promising setup on either of them. So we can do one thing, that we can possibly plan a scalp. Okay, just for a second, I'll quickly join the live again. I'll keep the charts running and I'm coming. I'm going to bring my water bottle. Okay, let's keep the charts running and join 1 minute. Okay, let's just quickly discuss our possible setup. So talking about goals, okay. So there are two possible setups. One is a sell and another one is buy. So I would rate, but I would prefer 70% of selling and a 30% of buying. And how am I seeing this? I'll just quickly explain to you. Uh, okay. So we saw resistance here, and we saw this candle breaking the resistance. Okay, so if you see this candle appears to be very weak. The body is very small and the wick formed is very big, even bigger than the actual body of the candle. And if we see the next candle to it, it also appears to be very weak. Also, we have a EMA following the chart, and we can see that it is getting rejected from the EMA. So there are three good consequences that we should not try buying it now. It is better to stay in the bearish bias and look for bearish setups rather than risking on the buying setups. Now, talking about Bitcoin is appearing to be a good setup, a better setup than gold. But the problem with Bitcoin is the same, that it is actually in the downtrend, and are we trying to fight against the trend, which can harm us? But we, I'm actually interested in trying the setup because I'm ready to take this to flip this account, and because of the bad broker behavior, I lost my profits, and we are actually on still on $52, which we would have easily reached 100 or 150. Considering that we lost two trades, which where my idea was right, but I was just unable to execute at the market. Mm, So let's reduce the time frame to 5 minutes, and I'll surely take a setup today. I just want to try my luck. Not luck, it will be a logical and a good setup as usual, but it's just will be on a smaller time frame than the usual ones. Sorry, I'm feeling very sleepy. I don't think I will be able to continue this stream. I can sleep in between the streams, so very unfortunate, but it's good that I turned the switch off for the stream, and maybe we can do it tomorrow. So, okay, good night for today. Sorry for this. It is happening because I was traveling since the morning on my college trip, so mm, didn't get proper rest today. And if anybody wants to take a trade, I would suggest take a sell on gold and sell would make complete sense here. And just on the break of this candle didn't form very good. Okay, then we can turn off the screen now. Bye, good night. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. And please connect with me on my through my other links and connect on Telegram. We will have a very good community of like-minded people sharing our knowledge, our setups, our new strategies, or our progress with each other, and help which will help us together build into a stronger trader. So okay, bye bye. Please